Hi, it's Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants. I'm in actually a historic home. It's not in the Jackson area generally, but it's at least about a circa 1880 home. It's undergone, used to be a plantation home. Nonetheless, this is the water heater. This is a gas-fired appliance with a plastic drip pan. Gas-fired appliance, plastic drip pan, heat. Must be why the building code says you can't do that. Sometimes we like to have, all of the time we like a discharge line on the temperature pressure relief safety valve. What comes out of this, if it's doing its job in the event of an emergency, is steam. This is the top where the exhaust comes out, and as you can see, there's a hole. There should be what's called a draft hood, somewhat like a funnel with a real large opening installed upside down that funnels the exhaust gases into this exhaust vent, which only needs an inch of clearance from anything combustible because the pipe gets hot. I don't know. So anyway, why do you need an inspection? By the way, this home was extensively renovated. Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants. Have a blessed day. Water heater safety.